Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session, we will cover CRP, Continuous Replenishment Program, and Vendor Management Inventory. Vendor Managed Inventory, okay? VMI. So we are just covering the chapter 6. Name is Coordination in the Supply Chain. And this chapter comes under the full supply chain management course, just we are covering. Okay, so the topic is CRP. First, we will understand CRP. CRP is Continuous Replenishment Program. For example, the Honda motorcycle producing every day 600 bike. Okay, so for that 600 bike, they need raw materials as a 1200 tires. Okay, so for the in store, we need to keep inventory of the 1200 tires per day. Once this 1200 finished, then again immediately we need to replenish this inventory of the 1200 tires. Otherwise, the process of manufacturing can be stopped anytime. Okay, so this replenishment need to be done timely. Okay, vendor manage inventory. Okay, so this is also another topic we will cover. So we are just first covering the CRP. So CRP focused on improving the flow of productions, flow of the product in supply chain. Okay, so by help of CRP, continuously replenishment program, the production of the product will be done timely. Okay, so the full supply chain flow of the product will be done. Okay, so both forward to the customer and eventually and end to the consumer and backward to the supplier. These are three steps. First, finish good forward to the customer. Okay, then consumer, then backward to the supplier. If any problem, we can backward to supplier. Okay, so this is the process. What is the goal of CRP? Goal of CRP is to increase inventory turns. Okay, so at daily basis, requirement of the process is just like raw materials and other things. So need to be fulfilled timely. Reduce the inventory level. Okay, so we need to reduce the inventory level. Okay, just like by help of this replenishment program, the system is automatically understand the requirement of daily, then intimate to the electronic message to the supplier, intimate to the supplier, they immediately arrange the inventory. Okay, so it can be decrease the out of stock, and then improve the customer service level. Okay, so this is also the part of customer service. Just we replenish the inventory timely, then the customer get the product timely. Okay, boost warehouse efficiency. Okay, by help of electronic and networking, this system immediately inform to us, okay, that level of inventory stage, just like a inventory level is low, then it immediately need to replenish. Then enhance your trading partner and perception of the value. Okay, so you can enhance your trading partner perceptions value. Okay, so these are the main objective of this, because that in inventory process, inventory need to be managed as per daily consumption based. Now we understand vendor managed inventory, VMI. So these are the terms widely used when implementing CRP, an arrangement where the supplier is not customer. Okay, where the supplier and the customer decide when how much of the customer stock replenished. Okay, so here just like in CRP, we need to replenish the inventory. Okay, so here need to decide how much customer stock is replenished, how much just like a daily selling of the product is 1200 units. So we need to arrange this 1200 daily basis. So this we need to decide when we need to fulfill this 1200 units. So this need to be analysis on the base of daily selling. Okay, so it need to be replenished, means that fulfillment of the sold and full the this again inventory availabilities. So VMI focused on assuring that products are replenished into the stock in most efficient way. Okay, so what VMI do? This is ensure that the product are finished, okay, and in an efficient way, without any manual information such order having to be transferred between customer to supplier. Okay, so this is the systematic information passed through the shops, we can say customer, dealer, and other. Then information received at the warehouse or other supply chain. Okay, so these automatically system are it designed in such a way. Okay, so automatic electronic message are used to keep track of the current stock situations. Okay, just like in mall we can say there are billing process in which the scanner will record the selling product. Okay, so and that just like it there are 100 unit of available in the any mall. So when in 500 unit is sold, so only availability is the 500. So these automatically messages are used to keep track of current stock situations and plant sale forecast. Okay, so this information message go to the forecast as a plan that need to be arranged. So it can be determined when it is time to refill the stock. Okay, and avoid the stock out. So this is VMI. Okay, VMI what this monitor the how much is sold and how much need to be fulfilled like that. Okay, so system record that. We can understand today the very advanced systems working on that. Okay, any malls, any shops nowadays. Okay, so VMI initiate emerged in the late 1980 when departmental stores such as Walmart moved to the automated. Okay, so this start from 1980. Okay, so when Walmart moved to the automated VMI. Okay, so what are the supplier benefit by CRP and VMI? Okay, so this simplify the forecasting due to visibility to the customer point of sale data. Okay, we can understand this very easily in the malls. The product are sell and by billing they can understand the visibility to the customer that how much stock is available. So it is simplify the forecasting and reduce customer ordering error. Okay, so it also automatically information transfer to the supply chain and the dealers. They will arrange this materials. Okay, so is the we can say actual selling product informations can be seen. Okay, then stock level visibility help to identify priorities. Stock level visibility can be understand between the supplier and dealer. Supplier can see the potential needs for the item before the item is ordered. Okay, so we have just example 100 units is available and on Sunday this 400 units are sold, so 600 is available. The system will automatically tell to the appropriate department and appropriate person to arrange this fulfill this inventory. Okay, then customer benefit by CNB. So this is the supplier will understand the requirement and arrange this raw material. Then now customer benefit by this CRP and VMI to improve the fulfill rate from the supplier end to customer. Okay, so by help of this understanding that this unit are sold, so immediately this will replenish, okay, by system, and the customer will receive the timely. Decrease the stock out inventory level. Okay, so there is no stock out because that system will intimating to the supplier that how much inventory is available by system. Okay, then decrease planning and ordering is cost. Okay, so before without CRP and VMI, what we'll do, we will count the availability of the store in that, and then we intimate order to the supplier, so it will take time and cost effective. Okay, but CRP and VMI work on basis of system, so electronic message will intimate to the customer also. Then also take the shift responding. Okay, improve the service level overall. Supplier provide the superior service. Okay, because that this visible information is can be seen by the you can say dealer, okay, and supplier. So they will understand the requirement. Then dual benefit for the both. Reduce data entry due to the computer and communications. Because the CRP and VMI intimate to the electronic message the availability of the data on the selling daily basis by billing the item sold. So this information passed through that. So there is reducing data entry, that there is no need to keep the record by the different person in the system. Then improve the overall processing speed. Okay, so if you count the manually available unit, then it will take time. So without the system will automatically count because that sold item is out of the stock. Okay, so this processing will be speedily. Okay, then better service offered to end consumer for both parties. Okay, because that availability of store and all requirement and the daily sold product may be uh, monitored by the dealer and retailers. Okay, and supplier will also understand this thing that the requirement of is increasing, so they arrange timely. So both parties understand by this system CRP and VMI. Okay, then uh, true collaborating partnership between supplier and consumer. Okay, by help of this CRP and VMI, the system automatically intimate the requirement. Okay, and system supplier will arrange the timely. So this is the for collaborative partnership. Long-term benefit including more efficient promotion handling, improving product introductions, more efficient product distribution, and increase the sale. Okay, so these are very very beneficial. CRP and VMI, they give the long benefit, include more efficient promotion handling. Okay, improve the product introductions and more efficient product distribution to increase the sale. Okay, so guys, in this session we have tried to understand VMI and other topic we understand. So these are the beneficial things for us. Okay, so CRP and VMI are very important in this chapter. So guys, we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.